Today, I'll show you how to email multiple recipients individually. If you want to send one message to several people without showing everyone else's email address, the easiest method in Gmail is to use the BCC field. Google says Gmail lets you add recipients in the TO, CC, and BCC fields, and BCC is the option that hides the other recipients from each person who receives the email. For users who need personalized one-by-one emails, Gmail also has a mail merge feature on supported accounts, which sends separate copies to each recipient. Let's start with the simplest option, which is BCC. Open Gmail and click Compose. In the To field, you can put your own email address or one main recipient if needed. Then click BCC and add the email addresses of the people you want to send the message to. Write your subject and message as usual, then click Send. With this method, each person receives the email without seeing the other recipients listed, which is why BCC is the most common way to send one email privately to multiple people in Gmail. Now, there is one important thing to understand here. Using BCC keeps the recipient list private, but it still sends the same message to everyone. So if you want each person to get an individual email with their own name or details, regular BCC is not true one-by-one sending. In that case, Google's Mail Merge feature is the better option on accounts where it is available. Google says Mail Merge can send personalized emails using merge tags like first name, last name, full name, or email address. If your Gmail account supports Mail Merge, open Gmail on a computer, click Compose, add your recipients in the To line, then turn on Mail Merge from the Compose window. After that, you can insert merge tags like at first name or at full name into the message. Google says this creates personalized emails for recipients rather than sending one visible group message. That makes it a better choice for announcements, client outreach, or any situation where you want the message to feel more personal. One more thing to keep in mind is Gmail's sending limits. Google says Gmail limits how many emails and recipients you can send per day to help prevent spam and keep accounts safe. So if you plan to message a large number of people, be careful not to exceed those limits. So in simple terms, use BCC if you want to send the same email privately to multiple people, and use Mail Merge if your account supports it and you want each recipient to receive a more individual version of the email. And that's how to email multiple recipients individually. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.